Serverless architecture is amazing and bring a lot of benefits, but if done incorrectly, there is very high risk of failure. So what's the solution? The answer is Webiny, a powerful open source platform to build serverless applications. Namaskaram everyone, welcome to Open Source Wave. I am Swapnil Mane and today we are featuring another powerful open source project, Webiny. To understand Webiny, we have to start our story with serverless. Serverless architecture doesn't mean it don't have any server. Traditionally, when we build our application, we have to own our server. We have to maintain it. We have to taking care of its security. When there is a load, we have to scale up or down it manually. But in serverless architecture, this all infrastructure related part is taken care about your cloud provider. And the best part is when your server is idle, means there is no request, you don't have to pay for it in serverless architecture. But when we own the server, we have to pay even when our server is idle. So let's understand why to go serverless. Serverless application is making big changes in the way we architect, deploy and run our application. It is estimated that with serverless, you can save up to 60 to 80% of your infrastructure and maintenance cost. Let's understand some highlighting benefits of serverless. Forget about server management. In serverless application, servers are still there, but they are abstracted away and managed by your cloud provider. So this is not your problem anymore. You don't have to manage your server, for example, including load balancer or auto scaling or many other operations. Stop paying for the stuff you don't use. In traditional application with server, you have to even pay when there is no request to your server. Even if the server is idle, you have to pay. But in serverless architecture, you can pay per function execution, not per hour. Build think faster. Since now you don't have to take care of server maintenance and the configuration, you can spend more time on writing good application and you can simply deploy your code. As a result, you will iterate and launch products faster. No more scaling headache. In traditional application with server, when there is a high load, we have to take care of the server. We have to put the load balancer and making sure the scaling is done properly. But in serverless architecture, you have to just simply sit back and relax. It will be taken care by your cloud provider. Transition from server to serverless brings various challenges that you need to overcome. Let's understand some highlighting challenges faced by organization from going server to serverless. Fear of unknown. In serverless, the way we architect, deploy and run our application is changed. So some organization having just fear that in this new way there could be some hidden challenges faced by us, so they have the fear of unknown. Security concern. Since it's a different architecture, the security team has to understand the proper measures to be taken care for implementing the proper security. Educating the current staff. Since it's a new architecture, the organization have to put energy in explaining the new architecture to the current staff and to making sure how they can scale their knowledge. So this sometimes is a difficult process for some organization who don't know how to get this knowledge and spread its awareness among the organization. Vendor lock-in. Serverless applications tends to be very sticky. Some organizations refrain themselves from having a vendor lock. So they have the question how to avoid vendor lock. We will answer this question in a few moments. It's hard to test and debug. With serverless architecture, the rules are changed in the game. So there is a very different challenge organization face when testing and debugging of the application. So this was some common challenges faced by the serverless architecture adoption from the organization. So let's understand what's the solution and how Webiny play a very important critical role in solving these problems for us. Here comes the Webiny. The challenges we have discussed so far is solved by Webiny, and there are some more challenges and the pitfalls which is taken care by the Webiny platform for us. Definitely we can say Webiny is one of the easiest way to adopt serverless. It has already solved these and many more challenges for us so that we can escape the pitfalls and save tons of time and definitely go directly to building our project. With Webiny, you can build serverless websites, app, microservices, and API. There are two important parts of this platform: serverless application framework, and another which I really like very much is serverless CMS. Webiny serverless application framework is having everything that you need to architect, build, and deploy your serverless application. This framework was designed for many different use cases. You can always modify its stack and architecture to adapt the need of your project. Webiny serverless CMS is highly flexible and scalable CMS. The great part is it also provides headless CMS, which is GraphQL based. You have robust GraphQL API behind the scene and very good control over the permissions, and at the same time the content can be localized and versioned. So these are some great things about this CMS, and I will recommend it's worth evaluating the CMS part of the Webiny. The most important part of any open source project is its community. Webiny has a vibrant community. At the time of recording of this video, there are more than 45 contributors to the project, and there are 4,500 stars to their GitHub repository. Now the question is where you can find more resources about the Webiny. You can find details in their website, and the community is available on the Slack channel. I will provide these links in the description of this video, so you can have these links handy and can get to know more about the Webiny. Webiny is definitely one of the good projects I have seen, and I will recommend you to worth evaluating it. And that's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe Open Source Wave YouTube channel, and see you soon with another open source project. Thank you.